This is your Sapphire pump tubing set. As you can see, there are two ends. One is called the lure end that will be attaching to the patient's line, and the spike end, which will go into the medication bag. This is the clamp. It's currently open and able to move around. To clamp it, you just pinch it off and push the tube over to the pinched end. To open it, you just push it through to the open end. This is the filter to filter out any air. And this is the cassette that'll go into the actual pump. If you notice, there is an arrow that should be facing downwards towards you. And there are little feet to help you remind you feet first. I will now show you how to spike your bag. If this is your medication bag, you've already checked the name and the date of birth, the medication, and the expiration date so that you know it's for the right person and the right medication. You'll take your medication bag. As you can see, both of these have caps. Once you take the caps off, what's underneath is sterile and should not be touched, or else you will contaminate it and it will need to be thrown away and a new one needs to be used in place. When that happens, please let us know so we can send you more equipment. So you're going to take the caps off. Each medication may have a different port that you spike the bag in. The nurse that teaches you will teach you which port to use to spike the bag. You're going to place the spike in the bag by pushing and twisting at the same time. It's easiest if you hold it by the neck of the port. Once it's in, now we'll attach the tubing to the Sapphire pump. You open the door. Like I showed you earlier, the arrow is facing downwards towards me, and we're going to put the feet in first. I'll show you two different angles, and then snap it in, making sure the latch has completely latched on to the cassette. A different angle. Once you've completely latched the tubing in, you're going to close the door and you'll turn the pump on.